This week is insane because three GitHub repositories are going very much popular. If you are a game developer or you want to automate any type of browser agentic task according to your use case for your Chrome browser, as well as AI agent capabilities for your Cloudy or any type of AI ML models, which can be 4x times. I will talk about top three GitHub repositories of this week. In the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update on new model from all over the world is going very much popular. Three GitHub repositories. I will discuss about this and their capabilities and how you can use them. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring regularly AI-related videos on my channel. So by subscribing, you can be part of it and get regularly update related to artificial intelligence and machine learning and stay updated related to these technologies. So yeah, let's dive into it and discuss all the top three GitHub repositories of this week. So if we talk about our first GitHub repository, most of you are not familiar with this. This is a new GitHub repository. Name of this is Lightweight Panda, a browser which is definitely competitor of Chromium. I hope so most of you are familiar with for performing any type of agentic tasks like top AI agents use this for performing agentic tasks using the Puppet as well as this. You can easily use this. Here you can see execution time is 9x faster as compared to Chrome browser, and memory peak is 16x less memory used in a lightweight Panda browser. It is a headless Chromium browser like a Chromium if you are used for agentic tasks for automation of a browser, and you can easily integrate this. There are several commands on the GitHub repositories. You have to just use the curl to install this, or you can easily prefer a Docker container, as well as there is a macOS. You can also prefer that. And here is the type of how to use this in your code base. You can easily prefer to use with a Puppet if you are familiar with it for using this agentic lightweight Panda browser in your custom for automation. And if you talk about the stars, it has 24k stars on GitHub and it is launched recently. Let's talk about our second, that is Newton. It is a type of physics based simulation for graphics. It uses a GPU acceleration with an NVIDIA wrapper, specifically targeting for robotics and scientific researchers. If you're familiar with robotics and if you're very much passionate about it, so you can definitely prefer this GitHub repository. And it is a type of Newton, or you can easily use this for building any type of robotic automation task, and you can easily build. And for requirements, you have to just need a Python and OS operating system, Linux, Windows you can prefer, and NVIDIA GPU. You can see if you're familiar with Unity or Blender, they also provide, or Gazebo for definitely for building the any type of 3D simulations or interacting with the physics. Gazebo is one of the most popular robot operating system type IDE for preferring for robotic tasks, as well as Omniverse. So this is similar to it. You can easily build this type of robots and interact with the real-time physics simulation before making a robot into interacting with the real world objects. So you can definitely train and interact with the real this type of 3D simulation for your robot, and then you can integrate in real world. That is completely insane, this GitHub repository. If we talk about this, it is not gain very much popularity, but yeah, this is for physics simulation and building a type of robotic based startup. You can definitely prefer this. And star, if we talk about was having around 3k stars. Now let's talk about our third GitHub repository. It is Superpower with 107k stars on GitHub. Superpower is a complete software development workflow for coding agentic tasks, and you can easily integrate this with your any existing agent on your custom IDs like Cursor, Windsurf, as well as VS Code or Gemini or CLI, or you can easily integrate with a Cloudy for as a plugin. That is completely insane because it can easily automate your any type of task, and it can boost your AI agent with a 4x power. And yeah, here you can say that it has various features. It has definitely it has skills for testing, debugging, as well as you can easily collaborate with multiple type of sources. And this one was our third GitHub repository of this week, and you can definitely check out this. I will provide the link in the description of their GitHub repository. Go and check it out. That are completely insane, because this top 3 GitHub repository. Superpower is one of the best for coding agentic tasks. Newton is for best for robotic if you are building custom robotic startup. That is definitely for using the 3D world simulation. And our first one is Panda, lightweight Panda for a Chromium task for agentic Chromium stuff with a less memory usage for automation. I hope so you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time with a video with latest topic. So bye bye and take care.